Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't really know what I want to call this video, but I do know I want to get out and get some fresh air, so I have my baby boy with me. Girls are in school. It's super duper nice outside. I actually just have a sweater on. I got my North Face just in case. I'm gonna run down the agenda for the day. I want to go to Ulta because I need a new detangling brush, and I saw this girl with the same type of hair as me and she swears by this brush. So we're gonna run to Ulta, probably swing by Starbucks, and definitely do something with these nails, y'all. I literally just got done soaking them. Thanks to the acetone, my shits look like shriveled prunes right now. My hands are super dry, so I'm gonna have to really put extra moisturizer on it. And I ripped a little bit of my nail off. We're gonna go get some nails, but I may have to wait a few days until my actual nail heals. But I feel cute today. Let's talk about the outfits. Let's talk about the deets. I don't really wear pink that much, but pink is giving pretty. I never even wore this bag. I got this bag from Marshall's for like $8.99, maybe like last year, and I have yet to wear it. So I was like, why not wear it today? Oh my God, I think I'm gonna try this pineapple anise body wash. They also have a watermelon melon and a cherry moa blackberry. I think this one looks like it's gonna smell so freaking good. Oh my God, I see candles, guys. This one smells freaking amazing. I should get one, right? Today we're just gonna window shop. Can I have a strawberry acai refresher?
11-liter water. I don't know, you just want a refreshing little taste, strawberry, just a little water.
Strawberry acai lemonade, yes please. Thank you. Let's see how you like it. Hold it with two hands. Like it? Is it good? Take another sip for good luck. Oh, this is my song. To show you guys really quickly what I picked up at Ulta. I really don't like Ulta, and I'm throwing the most shade because Ulta where I live, those bros are super racist. Like legit, their energy is so off, and I guess my energy is just so on that it just don't mix. So I try to stay away from Ulta, but there was this one particular brush. You guys know how much we need to take care of our hair and how important it is when we actually detangle our hair. So I saw this brush on another YouTuber's channel. She has similar hair to mine and she raved about it. I've been using the same Tangle Teezer for years, which I get from Five Below. It's a pink paddle brush and it does wonders, but it's not giving me longevity. It seems to be more reliable because it was $20 damn, so it better do what it needs to do. It's a Olivia Garden eye detangle brush for thick hair. This is what it looks like. Let's see if it does what it needs to do. This shit busts every single time. Always get this. I'm not a Starbucks fan. I don't really do the coffee. I'm more of a tea person, but this strawberry acai lemonade busts every single time. It just gives me chill vibes. My spirit has been so up. I'm in such a wonderful headspace. I feel less stressed. I don't know. These days have been looking bright for your girl. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm loving it and I'm embracing it because not every day has it been like this for me. To clean my car out, honestly. It looks really disgusting.
Oh, what you doing?
I'm filming right now.
Oh, my bad.
My car looks a hot mess. Like, I've been getting my house together, but my car is looking real. I wouldn't say it's dirty, it's just a lot of bottles in here. Whenever I go out, I have water bottles everywhere. Don't let my kids come in the car because McDonald's French fries is back there from like 2 years. The juice boxes, they're very disrespectful. I told them when I get that range, y'all not riding in mine. I'm actually sitting in a Stop and Shop parking lot procrastinating because I feel like I went to the grocery store yesterday and I'm back here a second day. I want to make a pasta salad for dinner tonight. I have to pick up a few items, so let's go. You gotta wipe it off.
Order 1 pickup at your convenience. Thank you.
You got it. Oh, they have all the Easter stuff out. I used to love jelly beans when I was a kid. Every year I used to do like an Easter egg hunt and I'd hide the eggs. Oh, look at how cute. Poppy, look at the bunny. That's Peter the rabbit. Say hi to him. Aww, he wants a hug. Mom. Aww. Alright guys, so I'm in Walgreens and it's gonna be my first time getting me some press-on nails. Really just want something basic. I feel like you just can't go wrong with the French tip. I do want to stay away from like the long ones just for a while. Yeah, no, I had to stop at the hair care products real quick. I want to try this one by Maui, the hibiscus water. Try this one, the flaxseed one. My hair literally loves flaxseed. And they have this one. This one is called Cake. It probably smells super good. They have the wave maker, the hot foam, the dry texture foam, a blowout balm, a curl mask, a leave-in, and a mousse. Interesting. 2 for $14. Look at this apple cider vinegar raw real shampoo, clarifying shampoo, biotin boost. This is different. I never seen this brand before. Can you hold this? Mommy needs this. So we don't need that. We can put it back. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go. We gotta check out. Yay! You want donut?
Yeah.
You want donut?
Have donut, please. Have donut, please.
You're gonna have a donut. Thank you. You're welcome, baby. All right, guys, so I'm back home. I decided to go with these. I wanted to go with something shorter. Tired of the long nails. It's too bare for me. Can't tell me nothing now. Super cute. I want with a shorter set. That way I don't have to worry about like breaking my nails because that shit hurts. And now I'm about to start cooking dinner. Usually cook around like 5:30, 6 o'clock. There's something I came in my room for and I forgot. I can't even remember. Don't you hate that? Chickens on the menu with some tricolor pastas. Personally, I need some cookbooks because I cook chicken. It's always chicken. I fry it, I bake it, barbecue it, I grills it, I does it all. It's like, what else is there really to make?
So my mom is in the bathroom and I stole the camera and I'm practicing how to be a YouTuber just like my mom. My mom is the best and I love her so much.
To put y'all on. You need a bomb drink, a fire drink. Get that raspberry ginger ale. I'm telling you, the Stop and Shop brand raspberry ginger ale busts every single time and it goes so good with dinner, lunch. Look at how cute my nails look. Don't they look so cute? I love it. I actually like the shorter look more with these short nails. You can't tell me nothing. Now I'm back like this. When your nails is done, you feeling yourself, all the hand motions come out and it was only $9.99. crystals for the win. So right now I'm just gonna chill. This is my current situation right now. Your girl's editing for you guys because I love y'all, so I always want to stay on top of my content. I'm gonna chill, take it down, take this ponytail out because it's tight. Side ponytail is a little cute. But I hope you guys enjoy spending the day with your girl. It's always a pleasure. I love you guys so much. If you guys want me to do more of these type of videos, leave your girl a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe because your girl's on the way to 100K. Ass tired. Ass tired. I go to sleep too late and then I wake up too early. So I'm about to take it down, okay? This video is done.